Hello, friends. Welcome back. We hope you're ready to learn something fun and useful today.
That's right, I'm Horace, and with me is Hina.
Today, we're talking about the movie Encanto. Encanto is a magical Disney movie about the Madrigal family, where everyone has special powers, except Mirabel.
But Mirabel shows us that even without magic, courage and love can make you truly powerful.
It's full of music, family moments, and great lessons.
And of course, lots of English words we can learn together.
Alright, let's start with our first word from Encanto. Check out this clip.
Not special, since, you have no gift.
Thanks.
Oh, and Del Antonio, good luck. Last gift ceremony was a bummer. Last one being yours, that did not work.
If I was you, I'll be really sad.
Did you catch that? He said that gift ceremony was a bummer.
So here, bummer means something sad, unlucky, or disappointing, right?
Exactly. He's talking about Mirabel's ceremony, where she didn't receive any magical gift. That was a bummer, a very disappointing situation.
Like if you study really hard for a test, and then the teacher cancels the class, bummer.
In Urdu, we can say afsos or nakami ka ehsas.
For example, you go to watch a cricket match, but it gets cancelled because of rain. That's a bummer.
आप क्रिकेट मैच देखने गए, लेकिन बारिश की वजह से मैच कैंसिल हो गया। ये वाकई अफसोस की बात है।
And to help you understand better, let's check out a few more movie clips where people say bummer.
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 Bummer! They canceled your game!
I know, white boy.
It's a girl?
What a bummer.
See? Now whenever you hear the word bummer, you'll know it means disappointment or afsos.
Our next phrase is one you hear a lot in the movie. Let's listen.
Louisa, will you just tell me what it is?
There's nothing to tell.
You're obviously worried about something. Louisa, if you know what's hurting the magic and it gets worse because you won't tell me what's wrong.
Nothing's wrong!
Wow, sorry, that snuck out there. Whatever.
Did you catch it? Louisa said, that snuck out there.
Snuck out usually means to leave quietly without being noticed, right? Like sneaking out of the house.
Exactly, but here, it has a different meaning. Louisa uses snuck out to say that her words escaped without her wanting them to. In other words, she accidentally said something out loud.
Oh, so like when you're thinking something in your head, but it slips out? Oops, that snuck out.
So remember, snuck out has two meanings. Words slipping out by accident, बेइख्तियार मुंह से निकल गया. Leaving secretly, चुपके से निकल जाना.
Notice how natural this sounds. Instead of saying, I didn't mean to say that, you can simply say, it just snuck out.
A really useful phrase, because it happens to all of us. And movies use this meaning too. Let's check out some more examples of snuck out in daily conversations.
Okay, we snuck out.
Hi.
You snuck out last night.
Yeah.
You snuck out to see me.
Is this why you snuck out last night?
I snuck out to Blake's. It would be on camera.
I know you snuck out last night, Morales.
If I snuck out of the house and ended up bringing home nothing but the germ.
Oh, he snuck out this morning to meet with his advisors.
We were backstage hosting all weekend, but we snuck out.
Alright, let's check out our next word.
Telenovelas. Their love could never be.
I don't understand.
Well, because she's his aunt and she has amnesia, so she can't remember that she's his aunt. You see, I say it's like a very forbidden kind of...
I don't...
Did you catch it? The word is forbidden.
Forbidden means something that is not allowed, prohibited, or against the rules.
In Urdu, we can say mamnu.
For example, smoking here is forbidden. Let's look at some clips where characters use forbidden.
No moves are forbidden except the forbidden move.
Sorcery? That is forbidden!
Where is
Asha, that book is forbidden.
That's why it's called the forbidden move. That's why it's called the forbidden move.
See how forbidden is used in different ways. It can be about songs, moves, words, or even magic.
Exactly. And movies often use forbidden to create mystery, secrets, or rules that shouldn't be broken.
Now let's check out the next interesting word from Encanto.
Happen. Oh, he's creepy and his vision killed my goldfish.
I don't think you make bad things happen. Sometimes family weirdos just get a bad rap.
For the nerves.
Did you catch that? Mirabel said, sometimes family weirdos just get a bad rap.
Sometimes family weirdos just get a bad rap.
The phrase bad rap means an unfair reputation. People think badly of you even if it's not true.
In Urdu, we can say bila wujha badnami, when someone is blamed or judged unfairly.
For example, that student got a bad rap for being lazy, but actually, he works very hard.
And movies often use this phrase to show when someone is misunderstood. Let's check out some more clips with bad rap.
Fear gets a bad rap, so.
They only call it bad rap because most critics are cynical assholes.
Bad rap, hard to beat.
Phillies fans get a bad rap because deep down they're nice.
So, remember, whenever someone is judged unfairly, you can say they got a bad rap.
Hey English learners, let's test your Encanto vocabulary. Are you ready?
What does bummer mean? Something exciting, something disappointing, something dangerous. The answer is B, something disappointing.
If someone snuck out, what did they do? Went to sleep early, left secretly without permission, ate all their dinner. The correct answer is B, left secretly without permission.
What is forbidden? Allowed, very popular, not allowed. The answer is C, not allowed.
If someone gets a bad rap, what happens? They get unfairly blamed, they get a prize, they sing a song. The answer is A, they get unfairly blamed.
And that's it for today's lesson.
We explored 4 powerful words from Encanto: bummer, snuck out, forbidden, and bad rap.
These aren't just movie words. They're expressions you can use in real life.
Exactly. Try making your own sentences with them today.
If you enjoyed learning with us, kindly like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more English with movies.
And remember, every new word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency.
See you in the next lesson.
See you in the next lesson.
Great job. Keep watching Easy Peasy English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.